how this
Sometimes a snake can be eaten by owl or eagle also.
yeah, so same animal can become the food for the others
Other
also.
animals.
The animals.
There is no general rule. There is no general rule that rabbit should be eaten by lion only. That can be
Eaten
rabbit
by
can be eaten
fox.
by
Fox.
eagle, owl, or fox,
Tiger, jaguar, and
snake.
all. When they didn't
Even
got
the
food.
snake can also make this rabbit as food. So actually one food chain is there, but we can see, if we closely watch each food chain, we can see some connected food chain also, right? Connected food chain also in between these straight food chains. That will make a web. That connected food chains, if we observe that, we can see a web-like form. That is called food web. Yes, Raya?
web.
Yes, you raised your hand. Why?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how that snake can eat rabbit? Their mouth is very
Small,
narrow.
right? See,
Yeah.
their snake's body is elastic. See, when we see them, it may be very small, but when they want to open up their mouth, the elasticity, the elastic nature of their mouth, their body, help them to open it wide.
Their
Yes.
mouth is very big.
And sometimes
Yeah,
poison will go. Poison.
that can swallow a human being also. In this one and all, you
Python,
might
ma'am,
have
python.
seen it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
Some channels,
Yeah,
Discovery.
ma'am, I see
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Discovery.
Yes, ma'am.
Man,
Discovery.
cities in the snake. Cities in the city.
So
In
the
Discovery.
body of the snake is something like elastic. It can stretch to any of the size.
And also,
Understood? So rabbits are very small animal. They can eat. They can
Ma'am,
easily
they can
swallow them.
swallow human being.
Yeah, they can swallow even the human beings also. Got it? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, food chain. Who is going to say about food chain? What is a food chain? Jovel,
Can I?
1 minute. Jovel, can you answer my question? What is a food chain? What is a food chain?
can tell.
1 minute, Amin. Please wait. Jovel, what is a food chain? Shiva Gayatri, what is a food chain?
Plants and animals are linked to each other by eating and being eaten. This is called food chain.
Jovel, are you remember this one? Yes. Then once again, Abhishek, tell me what is a food chain?
When plants and animals linked together by eating and being eaten is called a food chain.
Okay, a food chain. Jovel, now can you answer it?
Yes, ma'am.
Jovel,
Animal
plants and animals. Okay, plants and animals
linked to
each other by eating
other by eating
or being eaten.
or being eaten.
This is called a food chain. See here I can see a friend, Joby, Angelina, Rose, Prajwal, means Pranav, right? Switch on your videos, Ronita. Switch on Vishnu, Pavan. Everyone switch on your videos.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the network is low here.
Okay. So another Vinayak, tell me what is a food chain? Vinayak.
Animals and plants linked together to by eaten and being eaten is called a food chain.
Eating or being eaten. Eating or being
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
See here I will call each student. You have to say me the food chain. You can see it here.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you make it some more slow?
Some more
Yeah, that
small.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you zoom it some more?
yes,
Okay.
can
Now
you
is it
zoom
okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Should I make some more small?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Some more,
It's
some
enough.
zoom.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Is
this
it
is
clear
enough. This
now?
is enough.
Okay. Good. Aditi. Aditi. Aditi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me one food chain. You can see it here. All the food chain should start from plants. Okay. All the food chain should start from green plants. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Aditi. Yes. Start. Aditi, unmute your audio.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. Tell it. See here, you can see food chains here. Tell me the names of the animals which you can see it in a food chain. So many food chains
Very
you
easy,
can
ma'am.
see it here. Just tell the
Can
name
I?
of that one.
Green plant, rabbit,
Okay.
wood, wild cat, and
Green
lion.
plant. See, green plant can wild cat makes a green plant as its food. Huh?
They don't
No.
like green
Don't
plants.
eat this. They don't eat the plants.
They are carnivores.
Carnivores,
carnivores.
especially they are carnivores. So Aditi, tell all others keep quiet. Aditi, give me the answer. Green plants.
Green plants.
Okay, I will help you. I will help you to tell the other food chain. Let me zoom in. Yeah, can you see this one, Aditi?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
Yes.
I can.
See, you can see here. Can you see food chain here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So tell me in the first food chain, I wrote it here one. In the first food chain, which all characters are there in that food chain? Which all animals?
Rat, owl.
Okay, rat and owl. See, first one starting from corn, then to rat, then to owl. Okay, good. Then Aditi, tell me about second one.
Parrot,
Carrot. Okay, starts with carrot. Then
rabbit,
Aditi,
rabbit,
rabbit. Okay, then
fox,
fox. Then
lion.
lion. Okay, one more thing I want to clarify. Why we are saying carrot, rabbit, fox, lion like this? Why we are saying this?
They're eating.
They are, sometimes they may eat, sometimes they may being eaten.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Sometimes they may eat some other animal. Sometimes they may become the food for other animals.
Animals.
Is
Okay,
it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, tell me the characters of third food chain. Who all are there in third food chain?
Grass, grasshopper, frog, python, eagle.
Python and eagle. See, sometimes the eagle may be killed by vulture like bigger birds. But we
Amen.
want here only four characters. Understood? We want to
Fine,
show four linked food chain. This chain is not stopping here. This chain is not stopping here. This may continue.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it? So, Aditi, listen here. You are not listening in the class. So here, you can see here all straight. These all are straight food chains. Got it? These all are straight food chains. Now I will show you another one. Okay. Aditi, you are not safe. I may ask questions. Listen properly. Avantika. Avantika, can
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
this, Avantika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can see it. See, in the same way, you can see that some food chains are there. Straight food
Yes.
chains are there, but in between also they are showing some possibilities. Right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Avantika, tell me one food chain.
Green plant can be eaten by goat.
Okay, good.
Goat can be eaten by jackal.
Okay, good.
Jackal can be eaten by lion.
Okay, so you got one food chain. I am drawing. So you can see one food chain here, right? I am
Yes, ma'am.
drawing one food chain. Avantika told it. Okay. So Amin.
Yes, ma'am.
So I got one food chain from Avantika. So in the same way, can you tell me another food chain from this picture?
Yes, ma'am. Green rabbit can eat green plant.
1 minute, 1 minute. All the food chain should start from,
Green plant.
yeah,
Green
very
plant.
good. Very good. So I will let me mark it using another color. Okay. Another color I will use it. I will use a red color. Okay,
Ma'am.
Amin, you can start. So from green plant. Yeah.
Green plant eaten by rabbit.
Okay, rabbit. Okay, then
Rabbit can eaten by wild cat.
wild cat. Very good. Then
Wild cat eaten by lion.
lion. Okay, good. So first one we told, Avantika told the first food chain. Amin told the second food chain. Right? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, someone is there from 5th B class, ma'am.
Fifth B, Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Divyansh, it is not your
Ma'am.
class.
It's English literature period for them.
Okay, okay. They can check their timetable and can move to that board. Yes, Pooja. Pooja. Pooja,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
ready to tell the food chain, another food chain?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so start.
Green plant is
1
eaten
minute, let
by
me check the color so
Okay,
that
ma'am.
you can easily
Red.
Yellow.
Red.
yellow.
Ma'am, yellow
I
is
use
not
one.
good.
Yes, Pooja, tell me.
green plant is eaten by mouse.
Okay, good. Eaten by mouse. Then,
Mouse is eaten by wild cat.
okay, okay. Wild cat. Very good. Then,
Wild cat is eaten by lion.
okay. So here you can see a third food chain. Good. Now, Anantan Raj. Yes. Can you see any other food chain here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So start.
Green plant can eaten by rat.
Okay.
Mouse can eaten by mouse.
Okay. See, mouse can be eaten by
Owl.
owl. Okay. Okay. So,
eaten by owl.
Owls can be, snake can be eaten by owl, or sometimes this kite or eagle-like bird also may make this owl as its food. Okay?
I can fish that like this.
Okay, okay. Is it clear now?
Eaten by little one more.
Can I tell, ma'am?
1 minute. Let Anandan to tell it. Yes, Anandan, clear it.
Kitty can eaten by lion.
Which one?
That eagle.
Eagle. Eagle. Sometimes here we are stopping it. Here we are stopping this food chain. See, but this food chain is something that may continue. Okay. Sometimes the lion also may hunt the eagle. Sometimes the kite or vulture, like that, birds also can hunt the lion.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, yes, Angelina, what is your
Ma'am, ma'am, lion can eat snake.
lion can, yeah, sometimes it may, when these two animals come in face to face after fighting, who will win, they may kill the other. Understood. So
Okay, ma'am.
these all are carnivores. So there are chances. So here we saw straight food chain and also in between. I showed once again, let me show that straight food chain. Okay, let me go to that slide. So here all you can see some straight food chain. But if you want, you can make some connected food chains for here also.
Yes,
Right? Yes, Shreya. Yes, Shreya. Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you just make a food chain using these three food chain. These three food chains are straight,
Yes, ma'am.
right? But you can connect these three food chains. Can you try it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it. All should start from plants.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Corn
Okay.
can eaten by rat.
Which one?
Corn. Corn
Can be eaten by
rat.
rat. Okay. Okay. Rat. Then
Rat can be eaten by fox.
rat can be eaten by fox.
Fox.
Okay.
Ma'am, the snake can be eaten by.
Prajwal, please wait. Shreya is answering something. Yeah. Shreya.
Fox
Fox.
can be eaten by eagle.
Eagle. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yeah.
Eagle can be eaten by lion.
Yeah, that is also chances are there, right? Okay. Pranav? Pranav? Yes. Yes. What you are telling? Not clear.
Python can eat this bird. Ma'am, the
Python can eat by
eagle.
Eagle.
your
Can be eaten
network
by-
is slow. That is why it's not clear. Let me call some other student.
Ma'am, can I tell Angelina?
Angelina Martin. Angelina Martin. So from this chain, can you make
Yes,
some
ma'am.
more, one more chain, connected food chain? Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Carrots can be eaten up by a rabbit.
Okay, that is okay. See, there is no chance for a rat to eat carrots. All the carrot will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
for
It is-
the
it
rabbit.
is- No, ma'am.
No.
No,
Okay, so that also there also is chances are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Carrot to
Angelina,
grasshopper.
continue.
Then rabbit can be eaten up by a python.
Okay, yeah, that is there also. That chances is
Then-
also there.
Then python can be eaten up by a eagle.
Eagle. Okay. So here
Then
also.
eagle can be eaten up by a lion.
Okay. So here at the beginning, you saw a straight food chain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From this straight food chains, you saw some connected food chains also. You made some connected food chains also, right? So
Yes,
when we see this connected food chains, it is like a spider's web, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
spider's web.
Confusing.
So connected food chains form a food web. Understood? Connected
Yes, ma'am.
food chains form a food
Food
web.
web.
So
Ma'am.
here you can see food web.
Ma'am,
Got
can
it?
I say
Here
one
you
more
can
food
see
chain?
a
Can
food
I tell
web.
that?
Yes,
next?
somebody is talking. Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell
can I
ma'am?
one more
Can I
All
tell
others,
that
please
third
wait.
one?
Yes, Shreya.
Can I say one more food chain?
Food web, one more food chain. Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can. Let me try it.
can
All
I-
others, check it. Okay. Whether the Shreya saying is
Ma'am,
it
can I-
correct or not. Yes, Shreya, try it fast.
Grass can be eaten by a rabbit.
Grass can be eaten by a
Rabbit.
rabbit. Yes, sure. Anandam, please wait. Then
Rabbit
Shre-
can be eaten by fox.
Fox. Okay. Okay. Then,
Fox can be eaten by python.
yeah, that is also
Python can be eaten by owl.
python can be eaten by a owl. See, sometimes owl is not ready to eat python. Some small snakes are there.
python
There
is very
it is
big.
the chance. Okay, python is a big.
Very
It's a big snake. So owls are
Okay,
not
okay.
ready to
I was
attack
not
them.
knowing that.
Okay. So, but here you can see eagle.
Yes, ma'am. Eagle.
Then also you made a connected food chain.
Yes, ma'am.
So all this, when see from my drawing, you can feel it like a spider's web, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's very
Yeah.
confusing.
So this connected food chains formed a food web. Got it? So
Yes,
another picture I will show it.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I make it small some more?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Can you
Some
zoom some more small?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Now it's okay.
Now it is okay, right? So here also you can see 3 straight food chains. Got it? But,
Yes, ma'am.
but here these 3 straight food chains are there. But if we closely watch, we can see some connected food chains also.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
When we connect these all food chains, that may lead to food web. Got it? That leads to food web. Understood? So,
have a doubt.
yeah, who, Vaiga?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your doubt, Vaiga?
Jackal will eat wildcat.
Rabbits,
No, wildcat.
wildcat. The question is not clear. Tell me again.
Jackal will eat wildcat.
Yeah, jackal, lion, leopard, like these animals may kill these wildcats. So let me share to the next
Jackal and
slide.
killed by lion.
Here, food web. Food web means connected chain, food chain, form a food web. I hope it is clear to you, right?
Yes,
Connected food.
Okay.
Way food.
Venu.
Yes,
Vishnu? Yeah. So, can you tell me what is a food web?
Connected food chain is called food web.
Okay. So, how this connected food chain form? How this connected food chain form?
If we connect it will look like a spider web.
Okay. Okay. It may become a spider. So, why we are connecting it?
That is because
Why we are connecting different food chains?
Which all are eating others.
Because there is no general rule that this animal should eat that animal only. There is no rule like this. That is why we are connecting. There is no general rule in the food chain. So we may get connected food chains. When we connect these all food chains, we will get some web, food web. Got it? So you can also do these food chains using some pictures of animals. Yeah, I think now lots of time is there with you. So just collect the pictures of some animals. Okay. Of course, don't forget. Yes, of course, don't forget. Plants should be the starting point of all the food chain. Okay.
Only like that only, ma'am. Will be
So
like that.
I will explain how you can do it. See, collect the pictures of some animals and plants also from the storybook, from the old storybooks. If you are not getting
Ma'am, in
storybooks
digest and
nowadays,
all.
you can
Ma'am,
collect it from the-
activity.
No, it is not an activity, but for a fun, you can make it and you can keep it.
Yes, ma'am. We
Okay.
keep that.
And
Okay, ma'am.
okay, so
Is it compulsory to do?
see, when we learn something, we have to do it in practical also, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So it is a fun to do that. So I hope everybody will do this.
Ma'am, we can draw it.
So you can draw pictures also. Those can draw it, they can do. If they can cut cut these pictures
Mummy,
of
can I
this
explain
animal. Let me explain first. After that, I will clear the doubt. So take out the pictures or drawings of plants and animals and make your own straight food chain. First, Vinayak, make your own straight food chain. Okay, 3 linked food chain. I showed so many pictures, right? 3 linked food chain, 4 linked food chain,
And
5. Even if you want,
Like
you
6
can
and all.
increase the number.
Okay.
That all are straight food chain. After that, you can try to make what? Food web also with
linked.
your sibling.
Yes, ma'am.
Siblings,
Ma'am,
with your
I have
friends.
my old science textbook
Sorry,
and
Pranava.
work. Ma'am, I have my old textbook and work. In that, some pictures will be there.
Oh, okay. So
Ma'am, I have so
you
many
can
digests.
see, you can make a game also. Just make this food chain. Call your friends. Friends means somewhere will be there, no cousins or
Yes,
your
yes, ma'am.
siblings.
So many others.
Ah,
All
yeah.
will have.
So you can call
My home,
them
my sister
and
and-
you can make food web. So when you do these all games, you will be very thorough with the food web. First, you have to make food chain. Then, just to keep it. Just we are playing some cards, right? In the same way, you can make a game out of this food chain. I expect all to do it. That all will.
Yes,
that,
Yes, ma'am.
my
I am
home so
going to
many-
my that
okay.
Yes,
Anantan
ma'am,
Raj.
in my
village.
home so
Now
many
any doubt is
digest
there
and all.
regarding it?
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am.
in my home so many
Aditi,
digest and all.
Aditi
No,
is
ma'am.
Aditi is showing a food web which is shown in the textbook. Okay, not the same.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can make some other different type
Okay,
varieties.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the time is
Use
going to
your
over,
own
ma'am.
creativity. Use your own art. What all things you can do, you can use that all and make this
Okay, ma'am.
game a wonderful.
Okay, okay. ma'am.
Next
Ma'am,
class.
I-
Next class, tell me, Aromal and Aromal, you are drawing nice pictures, right? Yeah. So you can also draw it. No need to cut the pictures. Aromal and Ahil. Ahil can draw these pictures. And others also who can draw it, they can do. Others can cut the pictures. But
ma'am.
don't miss this chance. Do it.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, my home so many
Write the
digest is
notes
there.
also.
So I can cut it.
Copy those notes neatly in your workbook and do that activity. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, shall I end the class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you for
Okay,
a
ma'am.
wonderful class, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank